Hello everyone, this is Diksha and I am a Lido tutor. I love teaching at Lido as it provides me with a platform where I am able to connect with students from different parts of our country. It provides a structured curriculum and I love the way the content is presented in animated manner. It makes learning and teaching both easy and effective, creating a chance for both the student and the teacher to grow together. As an e-learning platform, I find the technological features which are incorporated and also updated to be very effective and user-friendly for both the student and the teachers. It creates a chance to build a rapport with the students and gives a comfort zone for both the student and the teacher. In this time of coronavirus, when I think humans needed to connect with the outer world, Lido platform has really given me an excellent opportunity to connect with so many students from different parts of our country. In this COVID time, it has helped me in maintaining my mental stability. On the other hand, it also provides regular sessions for our training, which help us to understand and learn more about our students. We grow not only as teachers but also as humans. Thank you, Lido.